We are UReason, a specialist and technology leader in asset performance management. We work with original equipment manufacturers of valves, actuators, and instrumentation and help them to create predictive and diagnostic modules for their devices. Our customers get a significant competitive edge using our software. In this session, we will cover asset performance management for vessels. The benefits of rolling out asset performance management on your vessels are diverse. 1. Ship staff will be better prepared to plan their maintenance schedule in order to curtail or even eliminate overheads. 2. Inventories for stocks and spares will be minimized as the parts do not need to be asked for in advance that would otherwise be called for during machinery breakdowns. 3. Continuous monitoring by UReason's APM ensures that machinery or the equipment operates at an optimal operational level, which in turn saves energy consumption and thereby the working costs. This leads to 1. A reduction in unexpected machinery failures, and as a result a cutback in maintenance costs, repair costs, etc., and increase of vessel's capability. 2. And additional workload prevention for the ship's crew. Data is the key to achieve these balance between costs, required availability, and acceptable risk. The maintenance domain is moved by data. Asset data helps you to understand what has happened and is happening. It enables condition-based monitoring of assets. Your asset data, in combination with failures, allows you to understand what could and will happen. Based on how your company has reacted to functional failures, information-based strategies can be used to help you understand what should happen. The journey to effective asset management starts with data. We help you to verify the data of your assets, determine how valid the data is to the asset condition you need to capture, and determine if additional sensors are required. Our APM software provides the capability to aggregate, store, and visualize your streaming data, whether embedded, on-chip, at edge devices near your sensors, or on local computer and even in the cloud. UReason has the knowledge to turn your data into models, deterministic, machine learning, and probabilistic models that can be combined with our APM software. This allows you to provide diagnostics, prognostics, and operational decision support. This turns your data into insights and will allow you to understand what is happening, what will happen, and what should happen, keeping an eye on the balance of operational costs, resources, and risk. The typical journey to engage with UReason APM software starts with carrying out a data scan. The data scan is focused on a single or a number of your critical assets. During the data scan, we determine if the data from your data historians, maintenance management systems, SCADA or DCS systems is complete and of sufficient quality to start an APM program. Following the data scan, we assess the organizational readiness for next-level maintenance programs. This results in a report that identifies training requirements and how the organization should change its certain working procedures. After the data scan and organization assessment, we jointly determine if a proof of concept can be started. The proof of concept will create a working example of the APM solution that allows us to assess and value the business case. After a successful completion of the proof of concept, we work with you in the co-development to identify how to roll out APM over your assets and processes. Your knowledge of the assets can be easily captured by your specialists using our software. They can capture the diagnostic rules, cause and effect diagrams, and connect these to streaming data. We support and train you in the development of predictive models using, for example, neural networks and support vector machines. Your APM solution can be deployed on device, at edge, and on local computer or cloud level, covering a small or large asset base. There is no better time than uptime. We are UReason, a specialist and technology leader in asset performance management. We have been active in the field of AI, condition-based monitoring, and predictive maintenance since 2001. With offices in the UK and the Netherlands, we serve customers throughout the world, from original equipment manufacturers in Germany, the United Kingdom, the Netherlands, and the US, to asset owners in South America, the United Kingdom, the Netherlands, and Asia. Thank you for watching this video. Contact us to receive more information.